Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a relatively quick haul video for you. Recently I have been doing quite a few live swatch videos, so I decided to switch it up a little bit. Originally I was thinking about doing the MEEEE subscription box review, which I received relatively late this time, but I don't know if I will have enough time to edit that video for you to have something up on Sunday. So I decided to just come here and show you another of my stamping plate hauls that I did throughout 2019 into 2020, and today I have all Nicole Diary stamping plates that I purchased from Born Pretty store. These are multiple purchases, so this is not one big haul that I did at once. These are probably 5 or 6 purchases from Born Pretty store, and as you know, shipping takes a little longer, especially now it takes really long. So I still have some plates that are in the mail on their way here. Hopefully I will have to check with their customer service because some of my plates already arrived and some plates that I purchased before are still not here. So just be careful with the shipping during this pandemic because it's up and down, so you might be waiting a little longer than usual in case if any of these plates piques your interest and you would like to purchase them. Anyways, if you do enjoy haul videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on my future haul videos, which I have still plenty to go, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. If you do have any special requests or plates that you would like to see a manicure with, please leave it for me in the comment section. I usually do those on my Instagram account, so definitely make sure that you are following me there as well. But I will show you some close-ups, and if you do have any questions, just please leave them for me in the comment section. As I said, I purchased everything from Born Pretty store directly, but I know that Nicole Diary also sells their stamping plates in other places. So guys, that's it. This intro just got out of control as always. But anyways, thank you so much guys for your support. Keep watching my haul portion and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.